What if you could burn more fat while sleeping without adding extra workouts or strict dieting? It sounds unrealistic, but it is not. Your body is constantly using energy to maintain vital functions, even when you are completely still. And small changes to your metabolism can significantly increase how much energy you burn overnight. Most people focus only on activity, but your resting metabolism controls the majority of calories burned daily. That is the hidden driver. It runs all day. If you improve how your body burns energy at rest, fat loss becomes easier without adding effort. And this is why some people stay lean while eating more and exercising less than others. So, what are the exact 7 ways that can increase fat burning even while you sleep? Way 1. Optimize your thyroid function. Your thyroid plays a major role in controlling how fast your body burns calories throughout the day. It sets your metabolism. It controls the pace. When thyroid function is low, your body burns fewer calories and stores more energy as fat. And this often happens when you are lacking key nutrients required for proper hormone production. Iodine is essential because your thyroid uses it to produce hormones that regulate metabolic rate. Many people are deficient. Without realizing it, low iodine intake can reduce thyroid activity and slow down your metabolism significantly over time. Zinc and selenium also help convert thyroid hormones into their active form inside your body. When these nutrients are optimized, your metabolism can increase without any additional effort. That is powerful. It runs automatically. And this creates a higher baseline where your body burns more calories, even while resting or sleeping, which makes fat loss easier without constantly pushing harder. Way 2. Switch to MCT fats. Not all fats are processed the same way inside your body when it comes to energy use. Some are stored easily, others are burned faster. Medium chain triglycerides are a type of fat that your body can convert into energy more quickly. And this creates a small but consistent increase in how many calories your body burns. Coconut oil is one of the most common sources of these fats and can be used in place of other oils. The key is replacement, not addition. When you swap regular fats with MCT fats, your body tends to burn slightly more energy throughout the day, and this effect can last for several hours after eating. Over time, these small increases in energy expenditure can support fat loss without changing your routine. It seems minor, but it compounds, and when combined with other strategies, it contributes to a more active metabolism overall, which continues working even when you are asleep. But one nutrient increases metabolism far more than any type of fat. Way 3. Eat more protein. Protein is the most effective macronutrient for increasing how many calories your body burns during digestion. It requires more energy to process it. Your body uses significantly more calories to digest protein compared to carbohydrates or fats. And this effect alone can increase your daily energy expenditure without extra activity. This process is called the thermic effect of food and is much higher for protein than other nutrients. It burns calories, even while resting. Over time, this can add up to a noticeable increase in how much energy your body uses daily, especially when protein intake is consistently high across your meals. Protein also helps preserve muscle mass, which supports your metabolism in the long term. That matters more than people think, because muscle helps your body stay metabolically active even when you are not moving at all. And this contributes to higher calorie burn during sleep. Way 4. Build and maintain muscle. Muscle is not extremely calorie burning on its own, but it plays a critical role in overall metabolism. It supports energy use and improves efficiency. When you have more muscle, your body handles nutrients better and uses energy more effectively. This leads to a higher overall metabolic rate over time. Muscle also improves insulin sensitivity, which helps your body use carbohydrates instead of storing them as fat. That is important. For fat loss, when insulin sensitivity is high, your body is more likely to store energy in muscles instead of fat tissue. And this reduces the chance of fat accumulation. Over time, maintaining muscle creates a system where your body becomes better at using energy instead of storing it. That is the advantage. It builds gradually. And this is why people with more muscle often burn more calories, even while resting or sleeping, because their metabolism is more active overall. But there is a simple habit that can increase metabolism instantly without changing your body composition. Way 5. Drink more water. Water plays a bigger role in metabolism than most people expect, especially when consumed consistently. It increases energy use, even slightly. Your body burns calories to process fluids and maintain internal balance throughout the day, and this creates a small but measurable increase in calorie burn. Cold water may enhance this effect because your body needs to warm it to body temperature. That requires energy and happens quickly. Even though the effect is small, repeated throughout the day, it can add up over time and contribute to higher total energy expenditure. Water also helps reduce calorie intake by replacing high-calorie beverages that do not support fat loss. That matters indirectly, but significantly, because lowering calorie intake while increasing energy usage creates a stronger fat loss effect, especially when combined with other metabolic strategies. Way 6. Eat spicy foods. Spicy foods contain compounds that can slightly increase metabolism by activating heat production in your body. Capsaicin is the key. It drives the effect. This compound activates brown fat, which uses stored energy to generate heat. And this can increase fat oxidation, especially when you are in a calorie deficit. Spicy foods may also help reduce appetite, which can prevent overeating later in the day. That is useful. For consistency. When you feel more satisfied, it becomes easier to maintain a calorie deficit without feeling restricted, and this indirectly supports fat loss over time. While the effect is not massive, it adds another small increase in energy expenditure when used regularly. It is subtle, but effective. And when combined with other methods, it contributes to a more active metabolic system, even during periods of rest or sleep. But one method directly forces your body to burn more energy by changing its environment. Way 7. Use cold exposure. Cold exposure increases how many calories your body burns because it has to work harder to maintain temperature. This activates brown fat and increases energy use. When your body is exposed to cold, it burns more calories to produce heat and stay stable. And this effect can increase your metabolic rate without any physical activity. Cold showers, ice baths, or even a cooler room temperature can contribute to this effect over time. It does not need extremes. Consistency matters more. Even small changes in temperature can create a measurable increase in calorie burn if applied regularly. And this becomes especially effective when maintained during sleep. While the effect varies from person to person, it still represents a passive way to increase energy expenditure. It is not extreme, but it works. And when combined with other strategies, it can help increase total fat burning over time, even while your body is resting. If this helped you understand how to burn more fat even while you sleep, stay with us. In the next video, we will break down the hidden nighttime habits that silently block fat loss. Because once you understand the system, everything starts to feel more predictable. And if you want to keep learning how your body actually works, consider subscribing to the channel. We break down complex metabolic science into simple signals you can apply every day. No hype, just clarity. This content is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Some parts of this script were supported by advanced artificial intelligence tools to structure and refine information. All ideas are grounded in real metabolic science, because clarity matters more than hype.